Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are learning acrylics today. I'm doing a beautiful early fall manicure with some fall acrylic colors. We've got this beautiful color here. It is made by iGel Beauty, and it is called Oktoberfest. As you can see, I got paper towel stuck to it. Kind of makes me mad, but what you gonna do? We've got every other nail is going to be this beautiful color. These two nails are white by our own, the Nail Junkie. Check her out on Instagram, all social media platforms. She has got a lot of beautiful acrylic, and I am a proud ambassador for her. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen. And this is Oktoberfest. Look how beautiful that is. I think that is just gorgeous. So you're going to go in with our one little nail we have left to do. Oh my goodness. Let me check my brush out here. It was stucky. So burp your brush. Dip it in the powders. Make sure you wait to at least a count of 5. We got too much liquid here. Too much liquid. So tap your one side of your brush off, dip in with the other. I have found with the Oktoberfest here, it's going to take quite a few beads. My practice nail, I should call them practice nails. The first couple nails I did, I took quite a few beads. Let me burp my brush, kind of clean it out a little bit in there. So head over to iGel Beauty. They are on Instagram. Give them a follow, as well as the Nail Junkie. Hold your nail down so gravity takes over. But I am going to go in and feather the bead backwards. Oh, we got a little bit of an empty spot there. Brush it down the nail just a little bit. Not a lot, ladies. Not a lot. Just a little bit. That's not a good pickup. Sorry about that. We want a good bead. Drain it just a little bit. Gonna kind of let the gravity just take over and let it flow down the nail. Just a little bit. Gonna feather this backwards a little as well. Trying to just help it down the nail. We need just a little bit of bead above where we're at. I'm going to go in backwards with it. There we go. There we go. I think this turned out really nice. Really nice. I'm going to go in with my clear to encapsulate it. I'm going to drain this because I do not want it soupy. Try to get you a nice size bead, as I did here. I went to the count of 4. I'm doing a big no-no here. Don't do as I just did. But here is our finished nail. I think that is beautiful. What do you think? Oh, get out of frame there, lady. So what do you think, my pretties? I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Excuse me. So we have to wait for that to set. All the rest of the nails have been buffed and filed. We're going to fold our mess up here and throw this all away. We do need to buff and file, though, that one nail. Just the one nail. The other ones have already been done. Whoopsie, whoopsie. We're just all over the place. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Flat my bed out now. Every time I use Maratt, I put all kinds of paper towels down, but it still bubbles up. If anybody knows any tips or tricks about that, I've tried newspaper down first, I've tried a puppy pad down first, and I still get this bubble. So I'm just going to try and stretch it out. What I am going to do is on the white nails, I'm going to put this beautiful foil by Charlie's. It is a beautiful, beautiful foil. It's perfect for fall. It's just gorgeous. A gorgeous, also my brain ambassador for Charlie's. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen here. I'm going to plug my lamp in, because we're at the stage now that we need our lamp. So I'm going to go in these two nails here, and I'm going to put my the nail foil glue. And we'll pop these puppies in the lamp for 60 seconds. Make sure you cover side to side. Do not skimp on the foil glue. See what full covers, ladies. No skimping. So there we go. We're going to pop them in the lamp. Whoopsie. I'm going to put it in for 60. And once the nails comes out, we'll be ready. This nail is setting. My room is on the cold side, so it may take it a while. The nail should be coming out anytime now. I'm wearing this glove because I am a messy girl when it comes to my acrylics. Unfortunately, I get it all over my thumb and index finger. Let me see what I can do here. And rub-a-dub-dub. And every time I say that, I want to say baby in the tub. I don't know why. I just do, so whatever. Whatever. Get your chip really good. Your sidewalls. On both sides of the nail. We're going to lift and see how we got. Make sure. Looky how beautiful is that. This turned out just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the lamp kind of early. Here we go. Rub, rub, rub. Make sure, oh, I'm not afraid, very sorry. Make sure you get your tip. Get all the design off on the nail as best as you can. I 100% back iMethods nail foil glue. I think it is the best over a lot of other name brand items. There we go. Our foil layers are completo. I think it looks really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. So I'm going to check this nail and see if she's dry. I doubt she is, but we're still going to check. Oh, you hear that? You hear that clicking? That means she's ready to be filed. We are ready for top coat. Look at this so far. I think it's stunning. Stunning. I'm going to use Pewtee's No End Top Coat. I think these turned out just stunning. I really like them. Like, put the top coat on, watching them come to life. I think they are stunning. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. And I would greatly appreciate it. I'd appreciate your presence. So let me know if you are new here. Leave me a comment down below stating so. Just saying hi, how are ya? What's going on? I'm trying to ever so slowly grow my channel, because it's going slow. So I do ask that you subscribe. Got a little bit too much top coat. Just a wee bit too much. So I'm trying to thin her out here. There we go. Now off to the side. I got 3 beautiful gems here. They're in the shape of, let me see. I think they are just beautiful. Beautiful. So we're going to put these on top of Oktoberfest. Put these down so I can see just a wee bit better. Just a wee bit. And our last and final one. Here we go. You make sure these are on straight. So I'm just trying to do these the best that I can. So we're going to pop these in the lamp, give these a full cure, which means 60 seconds. Alrighty, we are fresh out of the lamp. And I think these are just even more beautiful than I thought they were before. I think the bling adds to it a little bit. It gets really, really super cute. I think it's stunning. Cuteness ain't the word for it. I think this is stunning. Great fall Manny. I know it's a little early for our video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think these are stunning. Remember, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of any future uploads. I greatly appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up, a like. Helps my videos be seen. Lets me know that you like the video itself. I'd really appreciate that. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.